This is how to enable the sensitive content on your Telegrams, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser instead of opening your Telegram and your favorite browser. You have to just search here for web.org. Right after that, you have to just put here your login details and you will be logged into your Telegram via this link. So here you have to just click on the 3 lines at the top left corner and then click on the settings, and hurry in the settings you have to just click on the privacy and security, and now at these interface you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom, and here you will find an option of sensitive content. You have to enable the option which is named as disabled filtering, so once you run, the sensitive content of your Telegram will be enabled successfully. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.